this video, you will see why many people got this expression wrong, and you also learn the correct way to simplify this using PEMDAS. Now we have 4 minus 2 multiplied by 3 minus 2. Right here we have 4 minus 2, that gives us 2 multiplied by 3 minus 2. And right here we have 3 minus 2, that gives 1, and the expression becomes 2 multiplied by 1, and 2 times 1, that is 2. But this answer is wrong. Do not make this mistake anymore. Now to get this correctly, we are going to have this 4 minus 2 multiplied by 3 minus 2. Here we are going to apply PEMDAS. Right here, multiplication and division have the same precedence, and addition and subtraction have the same precedence here. Now, to follow this principle here, first we are going to consider multiplication, because multiplication is of higher priority than the subtraction right here. When as such, we are going to consider this first, and the expression becomes 4 minus 2 times 3, that gives 6 minus 2. Then right here we are going to move from left to right. When as such, we are going to have here, consider subtraction, 4 minus 2, 4 minus 6, that gives us minus 2 minus 2. Then lastly we have this minus 2 minus 2, that gives us minus 4. And this is the correct answer to this given expression right here. Do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more interesting videos. See you in the next video.